Hello. Welcome to our video on the importance of hydration for health, understanding the benefits of drinking water. In this video, we will discuss the importance of staying hydrated and the many benefits of drinking water for overall health and well-being. Water is essential for life and plays a vital role in maintaining good health. The human body is made up of 60% water, and staying hydrated is essential for our body systems to function properly. Dehydration can lead to a number of symptoms, including fatigue, headaches, dry skin, and constipation. In more severe cases, it can lead to more serious health problems such as kidney stones, heat stroke, and even seizures. Drinking water can help keep our bodies hydrated and subsequently improve our overall health and well-being. Here are some benefits of drinking water. Helps regulate body temperature. Water helps regulate body temperature, which is essential for proper body function and overall health. Aids digestion. Drinking water can help prevent constipation and aid digestion by keeping the bowels regular. Flushes toxins. Drinking water can help flush toxins and waste from the body and keep the kidneys and liver healthy. Helps maintain healthy skin. Drinking water can help keep skin hydrated and healthy, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Increases energy levels. Drinking water can help increase energy levels and improve mental clarity, making it easier to focus and be productive throughout the day. It is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, although the exact amount needed may vary depending on factors such as body weight, activity level, and overall health. It is also important to remember that drinking water is not the only way to stay hydrated. Eating foods with a high water content such as fruits and vegetables can also help keep the body hydrated. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video very useful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos. Remember that staying hydrated is essential for good health and well-being, so drink plenty of water throughout the day.